Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare ClickUp versus Notion. Let's dive into their core purposes. ClickUp is a robust project management platform designed to centralize all your work in one place, offering extensive features for teams of any size. Notion, on the other hand, provides a highly flexible workspace, perfect for notes, documents, and light project tracking. It's more about building your own custom system. We'll explore which tool best fits your specific needs. When it comes to features, ClickUp boasts over 100 customizable options, including advanced task management, time tracking, and detailed reporting. Notion shines with its block-based editor, allowing for incredible flexibility in creating documents, databases, and wikis. While ClickUp offers more robust project automation, Notion excels in knowledge management and collaborative document creation. Each has distinct strengths for different workflows. Regarding pricing, ClickUp offers a free plan with essential features, and its paid tiers typically start around $7 per user per month, making it scalable for larger organizations. Notion also provides a generous free personal plan, with team plans beginning at approximately $8 per user per month. Generally, ClickUp can be more cost-effective for extensive project management needs, while Notion's structure is often preferred by individuals and smaller teams focused on content. So, who should use which? Choose ClickUp if your priority is comprehensive project management, advanced task automation, and detailed reporting for complex team projects. Opt for Notion if you need a highly flexible workspace for note-taking, document creation, and building a personalized knowledge base. Your decision should ultimately depend on your team size, specific workflow requirements, and budget. Both are powerful, but serve different primary purposes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.